know somebody gonna complain about this lighting, but I deal with it. I don't care. Okay, it's not my fault the sun's going down. But anyways, hello, hi. My name is Smithy. If this is the first time you're seeing me, or if you've seen me for a while, I hope you're doing good because I'm doing good. Because if you're not doing good, why aren't you not doing good? Because I'm doing good. What the hell? Come on, do good. So today's video is how to support your damn friends who are on social media platforms like YouTube. Okay? Because I feel like some of our friends just forget how to support, and that is okay. That is okay. You know what I mean? Sometimes we forget. It's fine. So I'm here to remind you how to support your friends. Okay? So, number one, as at the end of the day, it's like you're out here supporting these celebrities that don't know you, but then but you know me, or you know your friends, and you don't support them. What's wrong with you? Because they could become the celebrity that you idol and worship. And then and then when they get there, they're gonna be like, "You were never there for me. So who are you? Back up." And then you're gonna hate yourself, and no one wants to hate themselves, right? So yeah, it doesn't take a lot of effort to support your friends, you know what I mean? Because you know what I mean, like I literally tell some people, I say straight up, like, watch my video until you see the view go up. And that's what you can do. You don't have to fully watch their video, even though you should, because they're your friend. But if you don't want to, because I get it, sometimes some of us YouTubers out here be making videos that are hour long. I don't really want to watch a video that's an hour long. You know what I mean? We have short attention span. It's fine. I get it. You know, or whatever video I post out, you might just not feel it. You might just not feel the flavor. You might just not feel what your friend is posting out for that video. But as their friend, you should at least watch it until the view count goes up. You know why? Because that helps their watch hours. You know, if you can watch at least 2 minutes of that video, it helps with their watch hours, which helps them, which helps you because you're their friend. And if you're the big, loud, cheerleader supporter and they become famous, which they will, who do you think they're gonna take? You, because you've been so supportive. Come on, hello, click, click, click. Let it tick in there. So yeah, watch it. I would say watch at least 2 minutes of that video because it really will help their watch hours, you know? But if you can't even watch 2 minutes of their video, watch it until at least the view count goes up for them because, like I said, it helps. Sharing, come on. It's not hard. We're all on Instagram, we're all on Snap and Facebook. Just share the video. Just share it on your story. Just say, yo, my friend was posted the video. It doesn't take a lot of effort. And if you don't really want to share it, which you should because you're their friend, but if you don't want to, at least like it. At least like the video. Do a little bit of interacting, a little bit. Just be like, great video. Yes, friend, do your thing. You know what I mean? Just help it, because comments and like helps your friend out because it's going to notify YouTube saying, hey, there's interactions. Okay, this video is getting somewhere. Let's recommend it to more people. And that's what you want to do because that's what we want. I know it's a lot. I know when your friend is on YouTube, it's a lot. It's a lot. It's a lot of pressure, you know what I mean? It's a lot. I get it. But if you help do a little bit of the legwork by liking, by commenting, by doing some commenting, and you know what I mean? Just do a little bit because then it's gonna help their video reach to other people so that other people can find it. And then I'm telling you, your friend gonna get somewhere. And then you don't have to do the little commenting anymore. You don't have to do the like anymore because there are going to be millions of people liking it anyway. So it's like your work here is done, right? So, like I said, sharing helps because, hey, if you share it, then, and you don't like it, right? But you share it to your friends and your family, then maybe you don't like it, maybe their video is not your flavor, but it might be your friend's flavor, it might be your mom's flavor, it might be your distant cousin's flavor, you don't know. But if you don't share it, you're blocking that opportunity for your friend. So word of mouth helps too. Word of mouth, like if it's your friend, if it's your friend and you like your friend, and you hopefully should like their videos, and you should be telling your other people about it, telling them that, yo, my friend's on YouTube right now, they make pretty good content, I think you should check it out. And then they'd be like, damn, okay, cool, maybe I should, because you're that person trusted you, so they're gonna trust the knowledge that comes out of your mouth, right? Yeah. But yeah, I guess that's it. I will see if I can find any more things that your friends can do to help support your videos, because they are your friends, okay? If you are their friend, you should be supporting. You know what I mean? It shouldn't be a chore. It shouldn't hurt to support your friends, because if it's a chore to help your friends' YouTube channel, then are you really a friend? And that's another topic for another video. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. And yeah, if you want to see more, y'all already know what to do. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Support your motherfucking brand, okay?